Hello, everyone. Today is a very exciting day, and that is because I am on AJ for the first time in about, I don't know, 6, 7 years. Yeah, I got membership today as well. Honestly, I never thought I'd be back on here. I used to play this in elementary school every single day. It's the only thing I wanted to do. Didn't really focus on my studies. Only had friends on here. I had one good friend in elementary school, and she played AJ too. But we fell out, and yeah, now I'm just on here because I saw it popping up on my TikTok. And honestly, I thought they got rid of Animal Jam. For what's the other one? Play Wild? I thought they got rid of it, so over this. But then I found out that they didn't. And so now I'm on here. I did have to email AJHQ to reset my password because I do not remember that. Elementary school me and college me now is very, very different. Who is this? Yeah. Who is that? I'm not even friends with them. Wait. Okay, let's see. Oh, whoa. Oh my god, these purple couches. But yeah, I haven't really done anything today. I was looking through my stuff. I have nothing. I swear that I had so many like rares and whatnot, but no, I don't. Maybe it was on my other account. That account seems like it got hacked, honestly, because I don't have any of my like Arctic Wolves, my cheetahs. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry if you can hear me typing. But yeah. Wow, nice den. But yeah, today is just gonna be like a little, I don't know, I might play some games. Honestly, no idea. But yeah. Oh. I'm not sure. Can I think about it? Anywho, yeah, so like I was saying, I used to play this in elementary school every single day. I even made YouTube videos. Shocker, like everyone else. Oh my god, I love these. Aren't they going away today? But yeah, I used to make music videos, normal videos. I did mail times, like every single person. Oh, so cute. I love the headdresses. But yeah. Oh, Cougar. They're leaving soon. But yeah. I don't really know what to do. I am kind of sad because my stuff sucks. And I don't really know how to get better stuff. Because I have nothing worth trading. Maybe my cream worn blanket. I don't know. I don't even know it's rare anymore. It's changed, I've heard. I love artwork. I don't even remember this in 2013. Yeah, I used to play a lot in 2013. But it's not anymore, or not lately. Until yesterday, I decided I want to play again. Now here I am, with membership. But yeah. My friend has like these O's. And that's a new trend. See, I don't even have any spikes or anything. I think in the data breach, I swear, maybe I'm crazy, but I swear people took my rares. Because I know I had some on here. This was my main account. But whatever. Whatever. It's okay. I will find a way to get some back. Maybe. Here's the adoption center. It's not that full as it was earlier. Okay. Gosh. Well, I thought they were talking about me. I was like, dang, I just walked in here. Oh my god, this is cute. I like that. That's cute. Honestly, I can't really tell if it's a bunch of kids anymore. What is that? If it's a bunch of kids anymore or like teenagers now. Not sure. But yeah. Yep. Pretty fun. I don't really know what to do. If I'm being honest. Okay. I'm leaving. I want to go on adventures. Oh. See, I swear to God, I used to have like this. These. I know they're not like rare, but. Oh, Lord. What town are we in? Rocky. Or World, sorry. I've always loved these hats. They're so cute. Oh, so cute. But yeah. Oh, I love this outfit. Okay. Party hats. Nice. But yeah, if y'all want to add me, I don't know if you can like send requests, maybe? When people are offline, I don't know. But hey, if you send me a jamagram, then I will add you. I would love to make new friends. And also, can y'all tell me what jag means? Jamagram. Okay, sorry. I'm a little slow. I'm like, I used to remember what that was. Now I can't remember. Oh, this is so pretty. But yeah. My little leopard. Nice. I want to do an adventure. But it seems like no one likes to do them anymore. Or is that just me? Because there's no one here. Let's go to draw. Or is it the same? Oh, what is this? I didn't mean to click this. I don't remember any of this. Explore the hidden hollow? What? What do I do? Oh Lord. Phantoms. Come on. Interesting. I don't know what this is. I don't like it. Get me into the real world. But yeah. I don't really know what to do. Can someone start a thing? I'm really bored. Horse are my animals. I agree. Love horses. Also, how are pets rare? How did they turn rare? Did they, like, go away? That's what I'm assuming, right? Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. And there's shops now? Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Yeah, there's shops. Crazy. Oh, there's a wolf. So pretty. Yeah. What to do? I don't really know what to do. Andrew Bird, too. This person's been in here for like hours. Oh, this is a corner. Lazaretto. This is cute. I like that. It's simple. Oh, I love this. Is that an otter? Cougar? So cute. Oh. What's that? Oh dear. What is that, too? I don't even know. I don't remember the last new animal that was on here when I was still playing. A lot has changed. The frolicking deer. Oh, can't. Oh, I like. Yeah. But yeah, so I just wanted to like come on here, start a new channel, introduce myself. Just wander Jamal a little bit. Let's go to Mount Chevere. Oh my god, people are still jumping on the ice. Okay, I'll join y'all here. Cute. So yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna share my real name or anything like that. Y'all can just call me Raider or abbreviate it for RIA, so Ria, literally whatever. But yeah, I will say I am in college. I started playing, from what I can remember, in 2013. It must have been late 2012 or early 2013 was when I was playing. I was addicted, you know. It was great. It was a great time back then. Yeah, what else? Like I said, please send me jamograms and we can be friends. Also, if y'all can leave any advice in the comments about, trading, what rares are now, literally anything about AJ that has changed over the past 10 years, I'd very much like to know. What else? Yeah, I think that's really it. So, I am going to end it off here, and I will see you all, I'm sure, pretty soon. It's summertime for me right now, and I'm very bored. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!